Anne Burrell, a well-known TV chef from New York, has passed away at the age of 55. She became famous on the Food Network, where she hosted the popular show Worst Cooks in America, and was known for her bright energy, her fun personality, and her love for cooking. The Food Network shared the sad news, saying Anne was a special person who always showed how food brings people together. They remembered her as someone who loved to teach, compete, and share joy through meals, and passed away at her home in Brooklyn, New York. The exact cause hasn't been officially confirmed yet, but her memory continues to live on in the hearts of fans, family, and friends. And first appeared on Food Network in 2005 on Iron Chef America, where she was a sous chef. She later hosted her own show, Secrets of a Restaurant Chef. Her style stood out, especially her signature platinum spiked hair, which became her trademark look. Her family described her as a loving wife, sister, and friend. They said her smile could brighten any room, and her spirit touched people all over the world. Anne's love for cooking started early. She grew up in Cazenovia, New York, and was inspired by her mother and by the famous chef Julia Child. She went on to graduate from the Culinary Institute of America in 1996. In an interview, she once said, "Cooking is fun. It doesn't have to be scary. It's about creating something that brings comfort." Aside from her TV career, Anne also wrote to cookbooks. Her first book, Cook Like a Rock Star, became a New York Times bestseller. Her second, Own Your Kitchen, was written to inspire people to feel confident in the kitchen. And Burrell's legacy will continue through her recipes, her shows, and the joy she brought to millions. She reminded us all that food is not just about taste, it's about love, warmth, and connection. Thank you, Anne, for everything you shared with the world.